guys to a webinar that me and my business partners are having tonight. I'm not actually hosting the webinar. There's some other guys doing that, but we are having a webinar, and we want to invite anybody who's not already a part of Myecon in to check it out, check out the benefits, what's all the excitement about, get to know our team a little bit. Because there's a lot of people on the fence about it. They don't know if they want to get in. They might not know if they want to get in with this person or that person. Really, I'm gonna tell you like this: it doesn't matter much who you get involved with, because at the end of the day, we're all a team. We got the training, we got the blueprint. Everybody gets the same information. So it's not like a big deal like MCA, whereas somebody might bring you in and they'll leave you hanging, and then you have to find somebody else to help you out. Where this ain't like that. This is like a team effort. Everybody's getting the same training. We already got 3,000 people involved in the group right now. Probably over 3,000. It was about 3,000 last time I checked, and that was a few hours ago. But we're getting literally people signed up every few minutes. It seems like people are being added to the group, and we're having a good time, guys. I'm telling you right now, I've been doing this full time for 3 years. When I say that, I don't mean I've been making killer money for the last 3 years. It's been a little bit of a roller coaster for me, up and down. I'm paying my bills, taking my family out to eat, doing fun things, buying little things here and there. But it's not like that life-changing money. It's not like that breakthrough, new house money. It's not that new car money. But I really, honest to God, feel like Myecon is going to be that breakthrough company for me. Not only me, but many other people. And I guarantee you, man, I'm hitting platinum with this company. They're going to have to kick me out or shut down or do something, because I've made a commitment. I'm hitting platinum at least with Myecon. And I know once I hit platinum, I'm going to go for the next one up above. So, this is just fun, guys, man. We're having a lot of fun. The team, very supportive team, very smart team, good leadership, people who've been in the game for many years, doing very, very well for themselves. I'm talking about 6- and 7-figure earners. And as soon as you get in and you see all who's involved, you're gonna know who they are. Obviously, damn near every top leader is in this thing. But I want to invite you guys to a webinar tonight. We're having all you gotta do is click the link up above, and I got people on camera now. They're probably like, "Oh man, blur me out, dog." Anyway, click the link above, and actually, don't click the link above. There's gonna be a link above, but if you click on it, it's just gonna take you to a page, and there's not gonna be a video going, because it's gonna be a live webinar later on. So what I want you to do is comment info, and I'll send you over the time and the link of the webinar, and I'll probably do like a 10-minute prior, send it over to you. That way you can be ready. But I want you guys to know, man, this is really cool too. If you do just decide to get involved with Myecon, you're gonna get this exact link, right? And all you do is put your username on the end of this, and basically you're just a inviter. You're just going to be inviting people to a webinar, and you're going to let these top leaders, top earners close your sales. So at the end of the webinar, when people decide, hey, I want to join this thing, man, this team is hype, man, the company's fire, the products are all legit, good, then they're going to click on the link, but it has your username at the end, and they're actually going to sign up under you. So you guys will have access to that as well. There's a lot of good things, man. I can almost guarantee this is the best training that you'll ever be a part of. I look forward to working with you guys. Like I said, man, this is going to be my breakthrough money. This is going to be my new house money, my new car money. But most importantly, man, it's just going to be my breakthrough that I've been working so hard to get. And, I appreciate everybody who supports me, who's been supporting me, rocking with me for a long time. There comes a time, man, we can motivate and inspire each other all we want for as long as we want, but let's do some business, man. Let's break some bread with each other and take this company to the top. And I'm not going to tell you no bullshit. I wouldn't lie and say this is a good company if it wasn't. honest to God, this is the best company that I've been a part of since I've been in the game, and I've been doing it for 5 years, and the last 3 years full time. So I've been involved with a lot of different things. Now the MCA's done and over with. I mean, they're not really done and over with, but you know, they had a little thing happen yesterday where they dropped the commissions and everybody got pissed and they're bouncing over here. But you know, it's getting real exciting, real hot, man. It's getting fired up. But yeah, I invite you guys to this webinar. Comment info if you want to come hang out with us, and I'll shoot you the link in the time. All right. I gotta go. I gotta get this little man out the truck. All right. Peace.